God bless, guys. Welcome to Presence of Eden. I'm going to show you how to make a coconut milk, and you could use this for smoothies and other stuff. Let me show you how I keep them frozen like that. I don't have to all the time buy them. Guys, I'm gonna show you how to make coconut milk. I keep them frozen so like that I could buy a lot and use the amount that I need. So first you're gonna grab them if you have them frozen and put them in a little bit of hot water and defrost them. The second step you do, if you have them frozen after you defrost them, cut them in smaller pieces, even smaller than this. Like, this is 2 coconut, which it will give a lot of milk. And now I'm gonna put it here with water. There's 2 different ways of do coconut. You could put it straight into a juicer like this, but I'd rather put it here with the water. I'll show you now. As you guys see, and now let's put it to blend. As you guys can see, this is really thick milk. You could add more water if you want. It depends how thickness you like. And I'm gonna need a different cloth, like a real strainer, because this one is I think it will be filtered through there. You need something smaller. You could even grab like I forgot what is it called. I think it's called a mushroom strainer, something like that. You can get them on Amazon. As you guys see, that's the milk. This you could dry it and use it for as a flake for like yogurts or like homemade cakes and stuff like that. And right there you have pure coconut milk, and it's homemade. You don't have to worry about no chemical or anything like that. One of my first juice that I'm going to show you guys with the coconut milk, I'm going to take papaya, I'm going to take some sea moss. I'm going to show you guys. So here we go. We have sea moss, and I'm going to put papaya, and you could add a date if you have dates or honey into it. And this is what you guys get. That's a good smoothie right there. Really healthy for digestion, to break down food. You have the mineral and everything in there.